Use Perplexity's deep research and save hours on research. We are living in a time where AI is revolutionizing research, and today I am going to dive into Perplexity, a tool that has become an academic powerhouse. Perplexity has been making waves in the AI research world, particularly because it focuses specifically on academic sources. But today we are taking a closer look at its deep research capabilities. This is what the interface looks like now, but be warned, they are always updating it, so it might look a bit different when you try it. Now here is the exciting part. When you log in, you'll see options like Auto, Pro Search, and Deep Research. Set it to Deep Research. This allows you to access some powerful deep research tools, and you get 5 enhanced queries a day for free. You don't need to pay hundreds of dollars a month like you do with some other tools. The fact that you can do this completely free makes it a no-brainer for anyone on a budget. But the question, how good is it? Let's put it to the test. I asked Perplexity to write a short 300-word introduction for a peer-reviewed paper on quantum computing and its potential applications in cryptography. The process is simple, and Perplexity walks you through each step of deep research process. You can see it prepares a research plan and starts collecting information. Wait for a couple of minutes. Now you will get the response. It will provide you structured literature review covering recent advancements in quantum algorithms, cryptographic security challenges, and future quantum applications. Plus, it provided me with 45 academic sources, which is pretty amazing. You can even expand the sources and view them directly. And what's even better is that it links out directly to those references. No copying and pasting here. So you might be wondering what you can do with this research once you get it. Well, you can export it as a PDF, Markdown, or a Perplexity page. The PDF is fully linked, so when you click on a source, it takes you straight to the reference page. Compared to other tools, Perplexity gives you more academic-focused research, but with a little less depth. You'll get a solid summary, but not an overwhelming amount of text. It's up to you to decide which approach you prefer, more content with less structure or a streamlined world research summary. Overall, Perplexity is an excellent tool, especially for students or anyone looking to save time on research. The fact that it's free makes it a no-brainer for anyone needing deep, academic-focused research. It's not perfect, but for what it offers, it's really impressive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out my new video on DeepSeek for research. Thanks for watching.